we finally left to go on holiday for this Christmas, and we're going to South Wales. So we decided to stay in a campsite for this period because we don't know how the weather is going to be, and we're not really ready to go off-grid completely. But we have something planned for every day, so we're going to go and see some part of Pembrokeshire and some part of the Gower Peninsula, and our base in the campsite is near Swansea. We can't wait to go to South Wales again because we've been there for I think one time, but it was summer, so we don't know how it's going to be in winter. But someone says windy, someone says snowy, who knows. We're going to see when we go there. So see you later. We just passed the Prince of Wales Bridge, so we are officially in Wales.
So we finally arrived, and as you can see, campsite is shut, so it's all for us basically. We'll stay just outside the grass so we can move freely in the morning. Now let's have a cup of tea and then see you in the morning. Good morning and welcome in South Wales. So the weather overnight has been windy and rainy, and at the moment, as you can see, probably, is not much different. But anyway, yesterday we had our very first problem with Elsie, and that was with the water pump. At a certain point it just stopped working, and I think the problem is with the switch under the tap. So later I'll try to take it apart and see if we can just clean it and make it work again. But back to us. For today the plan is to visit St David's in Pembrokeshire, and it's 1 hour and a half from here. We should be there just before lunch, but we'll see when we get there. So we're not quite there yet, but we're at Newgale at the moment. The wind is crazy. We're gonna show you the sea in a minute, and we just stopped here for lunch, and then we carry on.
It is windy. So we decided to come here, Port Clare National Trust. We're gonna go for a walk. To be fair, it's not too windy, so we're gonna see how it is. So we're going for a walk, but she's really wary because she's scared of snake, because we saw on the poster that there are some snakes around. You need to be careful and stick to the path. You scared? Yes! So they went up on the cliff. Daniela and Elisa went up, but I decided to go down because it's a bit muddy, and I got Mia. And I feel like if I slip, it's gonna be fun. Now it's gonna be scary, so I decided to go downstairs in the down path, which is beautiful anyway.
Okay, so the problem was just one of the wires going to the switch was disconnected, so it was a kind of an easy fix. Okay, we just visited the cathedral and the bishop's palace, and now we're going
to see the Christmas lights in this country.
in St. David's.
Practically.